Click on the link below to get price. The Canon EF 24-70mm f/2. 8L2 USM standard zoom lens is a true gem for both professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. Having recently acquired a renewed model, I can confidently say it offers remarkable performance and versatility, making it an essential addition to any camera kit. Right out of the box, the build quality of this lens is impressive, embodying Canon's renowned L-series craftsmanship. The lens feels robust and durable, yet surprisingly lightweight for its class, allowing for comfortable handling during extended shooting sessions. The weather-sealed construction provides peace of mind when shooting in challenging conditions, a feature that many outdoor photographers will appreciate. Optically, the 24-70mm f/2. 8L2 excels in producing sharp, vibrant images across its zoom range. Whether shooting wide at 24mm or zoomed in at 70mm, the lens maintains exceptional clarity and contrast, even in low-light scenarios. The f/2. 8 aperture is a significant advantage, allowing for beautiful bokeh and excellent subject isolation, making it ideal for portraits and event photography. The autofocus system is quick and precise, thanks to the ultrasonic motor, USM, technology. I found it particularly effective in dynamic environments, where capturing fleeting moments is crucial. The lens also offers minimal chromatic aberration and distortion, which adds to its overall image quality. One of the standout features of this renewed version is its affordability without sacrificing performance. While new lenses can be quite pricey, opting for a renewed version allows photographers to access high-quality equipment at a fraction of the cost, making it a smart investment. In summary, the Canon 5175B002 CREF 24-70mm f/2. 8L2 USM standard zoom lens is an outstanding option for anyone looking to enhance their photography skills. Its robust construction, exceptional optical quality, and versatility make it a top choice for various photographic styles. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or events, this lens consistently delivers professional-grade results.